All right, hey, we're back on this 2010 Honda Odyssey. We're going to replace the door roller on the passenger side. We're going to do the driver's side, but I'm just going to make a video over here. If you're a passenger door, your power doors, they jerk when opening and shutting. Your rollers are bad. The customer brought these rollers. I think he got them on Amazon. You see those rollers? They roll against that inside track up high. I'll show you the ones on this one. To access that, there's a Phillips screw at the end of this plate right here. And there's a 10mm at the end of the door trim right here. So don't start tugging on that, because it is bolted on, you'll distort it and it won't fit right. Okay, to get to that, you gotta pull the tail light. Usually a pick to pop these little caps off right here. Just pops right out and set them down. Pull those two Phillips out. And that tail light also, after you get those out, has a little clip right here, or a little nipple there, that kind of just snugs up inside that rubber grommet. So when it's in there, it's going to be tight. I use a trim tool to get in behind the tail light and just wiggle it, pry on a little bit, and pop out. Don't use anything metal, you'll chip your tail light and scratch your car. Okay, you get that out. That is a 10mm right there. Bam. Point to it. You pop that out. Okay, so now you don't have anything holding this trim on. Just get it in here right here with your hand and just wiggle a little bit, sliding forward towards the front of the car, and it pops off. Come out slowly. Come up slowly. Bring it out so you don't scratch your car. Those big square holes right there fit over that plastic piece. When you get ready to put it on, you put it back in there, get it over it, pull it back, and it snugs up in the trim, then you bolt it back down. Okay, so now we are to the roller of the hinge. You can see up in there, those bushings, those rollers are gone. That's what causes that door to jerk. Okay, there's two 12mm bolts right here. I'm gonna pause for a second and get that out, and I'll show you how to get them cables out.